Let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're making Indian small business security smarter without breaking the bank. Over 7.8 crore Indian businesses actually face a massive operations problem disguised as a simple surveillance issue. You probably own cameras already, but hey, are they actually solving disputes or just passively gathering dust? The hidden killer here? False alerts. You're totally drowning in raw motion noise instead of verified incidents. This alert fatigue is absolutely deadly. Once you start ignoring notifications, your expensive security investment is basically useless. The smart, cost-effective fix? An Edge AI box. It instantly adds powerful intelligence right to your standard cameras. It's brilliantly simple. Just reuse your current cameras, plug in the AI box, and get instant phone alerts. Unlike pricey cloud platforms, Edge AI reuses your existing hardware, keeping those painful recurring costs incredibly low. Hardware isn't the real trap. Massive storage, endless maintenance, and constant noise, those are your true budget sinkers. Look at a 3-year timeline. Edge AI costs stay flat, while cloud subscriptions continuously compound and drain profits. So remember, total cost of ownership is a long-term shape, not just some initial upfront sticker price. So where's your real ROI? Surprisingly, it's resolving daily cash or delivery disputes, not just catching shoplifters. To grab that ROI, prioritize these 5 specific placements where actual store shrinkage and messy arguments happen. But remember, AI cannot fix physics. Glare and backlit doors will instantly blind even the smartest analytics. Proper lighting and pixel density are mandatory. You've got to size your camera lens carefully for the specific job. Also, beware of India's new DPDP rules. Mishandling your security data could trigger a massive 250 crore fine. Stay safe. Display clear notices, heavily restrict password access, and only keep footage for 7 to 30 days. Stop paying for useless noise. Are you ready to leverage Edge AI and finally get some real answers?